How to fix a 404 error in your Wix website quickly and easily. A 404 error usually appears when a page can't be found or when the page is restricted, but don't worry, it's super simple to fix. First, go to your Wix website editor. On the left-hand side, click Pages and Menu. This will show you a list of all the pages on your website. Next, find the page that's showing the 404 error. Click the three dots next to that page name, then select Settings. Inside the Settings panel, go to the Permissions tab. Here, you'll see an option that controls who can access the page. Make sure it's set to Everyone. This allows all visitors to view the page publicly, which usually resolves the 404 issue. Once you've made the change, click Save or Apply. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the 404 error on your Wix website. If you still see the error, double-check that your page link or URL is correct and that the page hasn't been deleted or moved. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tips. Thanks for watching.